Hey, what's up guys? So finally after the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the OneUi 8 update is now rolling out on older devices as well. Starting off with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the OneUi 8 update is now available for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, it was available for the beta users, but now it is rolling out for the non-beta users in different regions. Do let me know in the comment section that have you got the OneUi 8 update on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra or not yet. And if you ask that how you can update it, so for that simply go into the settings of your device, then tap on software update, then from here you will have to tap on download and install. From here you will get to see the new OneUi 8 update. The update size will be around 3.3 GB in size with the September 1st 2025 security patch. First of all, you will have to download the 3.3 GB of update, and after that you will have to install it. Make sure to install it when your device is completely free and install it in a cool environment, as installing in a cool environment will prevent the green line issues on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. As in most cases, this issue is caused after any update or due to heat. And once installed, your device will automatically restart. If we talk about that what's new, so the new update includes the Android 16 update, also a new weather app UI with some smoother animations, and there are some other features and enhancements in the already existing Galaxy AI features. There are no such UI changes available this time around like the OneUi 7 update. And that's it for today's video. This was a quick video to inform the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra users that the OneUi 8 update is now finally out. Do let me know in the comment section that have you got the update on your device or not yet. Also let me know your favorite feature of the OneUi 8 update. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.